With lockdown restrictions slowly being lifted, many Bollywood celebs were spotted stepping out of their homes to work out, meet family, or enjoy the outdoors. Sisters Karishma and Kareena caught up after a long time at Kareena's home, while siblings Sara and Ibrahim cycled their way to better health with their masks on, of course. Salman was spotted on a trek with some friends and family members near his farmhouse in Panvel. After an extended lockdown thanks to the pandemic caused by COVID-19, Bollywood stars are slowly but surely emerging from their homes. From taking a walk outside to working out to even visiting family, stars like Kareena Kapoor Khan, Sara Ali Khan and her brother Ibrahim and even Salman Khan were spotted very recently. Now this comes as a very positive sign, but also let's not forget that all these stars were seen following all the necessary precautions including social distancing and wearing their masks. Here's the story. After spending several months at home, looks like celebs अब धीरे-धीरे अपने पुराने routines में लौट रहे हैं. Karishma, who has been in quarantine with her kids, was spotted by the press outside Choti Behen Kareena's house. Kareena, who has been at home with Saif and little Taimur, played host to her mom Babita ji and sister Karishma, who seemed to have dropped in to meet her favorite nephew, जिनके photos वो अक्सर social media पे post भी करती हैं. Karishma, who is usually dressed perfectly, chose to keep it casual but made sure she was wearing the most fashionable accessory trending right now, a mask. इससे पहले Kareena had shared pictures of a delicious looking cake that Karishma had sent over, लेकिन with restrictions being eased, इस बार Karishma खुद आई अपनी बहन से मिलने and to play with her darling nephew. But while Kareena and Karishma were hanging out, Sara and Ibrahim Ali Khan were working out by cycling together, लेकिन masks पहन के. The siblings, who often share pictures of themselves working out together, seem to have decided to step out of their homes and work out in the fresh air of Mumbai, but reminded their fans and followers कि घर से निकले तो masks पहनना जरूरी है. And while the two seem to have had a nice long cycling workout, Ibrahim also shared a post which said that they were too tired after their ride across the city.
He lost the way. I told him if he takes us back, he will get non-veg.
But the youngsters were not the only ones working out. Salman's bodyguard had shared a video on his social media page of the Dabangg star enjoying a walk in the lush green outdoors with a few others, जिनमें से एक उनकी alleged girlfriend Ulia Vantur है. Ulia had also shared snaps from this outdoor trek which involved waterfall spotting. Salman, who has been in his farmhouse in Panvel during the entire lockdown period, seems to have stepped out to take a walk instead of working out indoors in his gym and was seen navigating puddles and rainwater during the nature walk.
He lost the way. I told him if he takes us back, he will get non-veg.
After a long and exhausted lockdown, it's great to see our movie stars also get back to their pre-pandemic lives, just like the rest of us who are going back to work or working out with all the safety measures in place. Here's hoping to see them on the big screen very soon.